morning. Good morning, we just woke up in Rapid City and we're headed to Fargo and the Badlands first. We're gonna try to go there, it's about an hour away, and then we're gonna head to Fargo after. As long as we have time, we'll do the Badlands. We're probably gonna do it pretty quickly though, since we have a long day of driving, about 7.5 hours. My name is Xavier, and this is my fiance Samantha. And together, we left our home in California to drive cross country and move to the East Coast. Subscribe and join us on our journey.
We just got gas and then it's very bright, but this is a figure that they have all over, and I don't know who that is, but there's a lot of founding fathers and similar people all around. Also, the maps are not working. So I was told by a family member to go to Waldrug, which is in South Dakota, and it's apparently like a very fancy gas station slash gift stop slash tourist attraction. We're currently headed to Wall.
To Wall, South Dakota.
But I didn't put that together, so I just said, oh, I hope we're going to Waldrug, like it'd be cool if we could just detour over there. And then he's like, we're literally going to Wall, so apparently it's actually in Wall, as some might presume.
We just finished up at Waldrug. Samantha got a shirt, I got a snow globe for my mom because she collects them, and we got some stickers. And so we're gonna head to the Badlands now. We're just eating our sandwiches from Starbucks. And I think the Badlands are really close. There should be an entrance here in Wall, and so we're gonna do that really quickly, and then we're gonna go on to Fargo. We just got to the Badlands. Because we're leaving the Badlands.
We're leaving the Badlands and we're out of here in their baddie land. But yeah, we spent like all of 10 minutes there. That's really hot and I need to turn the AC.
But we're leaving the Badlands because we got 7 hours of driving to Fargo, and so we want to get going so we don't get there too late. But luckily we were able to see like pretty much what the Badlands have to offer. So we're headed out. Bye. Yeah, we're in Sioux Falls.
Gas is cheap.
$1.95.
And life is sweet.
Got a bunch of snacks at the gas station. We got these Pop-Tart bites, which look super interesting, and a Lucky Charms cereal bar. And there's some wafers over there.
Making sandwiches at Love's. So we're gonna eat our snacks and then we'll get to Fargo at about 7:15 in about 3 hours.
We just arrived in Fargo, North Dakota.
And I just said it could be Scooby California.
It looks just like California.
No, that's not true. There's just a Costco and some green grass.
Yeah, that's all you need for California. But we're gonna go check in, and it's 7:16, but it really is 6:16 for our bodies. All right, time to check in. Packed up all our stuff. Ever since we got the car broken into in Portland, we've been really secure about getting all the stuff out, even though we're just staying for one night. But it looks like we're moving into the place. Fargo is really beautiful, and we're kind of staying in this really nice neighborhood, so we just took the drone up, and I felt a little sketchy doing that, and everyone was kind of looking at us. But
and we were looking at the houses on Zillow in case we need to
move here.
Because they're nice.
Yeah, this is a really nice area.
And we took some cute Insta pics.
This area might not be the best for the drone just because it's kind of residential and also just hotels, but we got some good video, and now I think we're gonna go look for some food and just walk around. So we're currently going to this Chinese restaurant called Mr. Walks, but it's only drive-through. We're on foot, so we're just gonna walk through the drive-through right now. We're trying to find the menu. But I just wanna say, I love Fargo.
We're in West Fargo, which is very residential.
It's my new favorite place.
We do like it a lot. We've taken several time lapses, flown the drone, haven't gotten to the place called on us yet. It's been a good day.
Here's the menu. Well, we tried to do the drive-thru, but no one seemed to know that we were there. And we walked to the window, and there was a worker that's just kind of like far in the distance, but she didn't turn and see us. But we're just gonna call, even though we're right outside, and we'll just get takeout.
Hi, can we place an order for pickup? We are on foot in the drive-thru behind the car.
Now we're on foot, and there's cars. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Gonna go take this food back to the hotel and watch some basketball. All right, we just got our food. We got dumplings, General Tso's chicken with steamed rice, and chow mein fried rice and sweet and sour chicken. And we're gonna watch NBA and go to bed.
Good night.
Good night. We'll see you from the road tomorrow.